Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my week 2 pickups from Supreme. I just got back from vacation, so this video is kind of a little late. I got my order probably sometime last week, but since I was out of town, I didn't get to open it until like last night, which was Thursday. So picked up decent amount of stuff, not too much, but what was nice is I was able to get it all in one order, so I only had to pay one shipping cost. And if you don't know, if you buy, every order from Supreme is $10 flat rate shipping regardless, I'm pretty sure. Maybe the skate decks are different, but if you order just one thing, it's $10, or if you order the whole entire web store, it's still $10. So if you can get a lot of items in your order, definitely try to do that, but a lot of times you can't because items sell out too fast. The items I went for weren't really that hype, so I was able to get them all in one order. So that was pretty nice, so I'm going to show you guys. But before I show you guys what items I got, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. So now I'm going to show you guys the first items I got right now. Alright, so first item, just got the free shower cap. I wasn't expecting to get this. I didn't even know the week 2 orders would get this, but I did get one, so I guess that's pretty cool. I have 3 of these now. Next, just 2 regular box logo stickers, which pretty much all Supreme orders have them. And then what was really surprising, I was able to get the limited box logo. I don't know if it's limited, but just like the special one that they released. So it doesn't really look that cool, but see if you can see it. It's still cool to get the regular one. So got the one from, I didn't get the one from last season, I don't think, so that kind of sucked, but kind of cool I got this one. So just add that to the collection. I just like keep all the stickers, I don't really use them. So first item I ordered, this is in no particular order either. So first one, I just got the measuring tape, which is super small. I didn't know it was gonna be this small, but I ordered the black one on accident just because I just like clicked the thing really fast, and that was the first one that you could choose. I should have ordered the red one though, but I'll probably review this in the next couple of days, so look out for that. It's actually super small, as you can see from my hand, and I'll hold up a box logo sticker, so it like fits within the width of the box logo sticker, so it's a lot smaller than I thought, but it is fully metal, so that's pretty nice, I guess. And the next thing I ordered was probably like the main thing, like the main accessory from that week, the Band-Aids. So kind of cringe, but if you put them together, they spell Supreme, and you could order 4 packs. How to order 4 packs, because that's like the only way that would have been like worth it, since they're $6 each. May review these, may not, I don't know. Don't really want to open them though. If you guys want to see a review, just drop a comment and I'll review them. So that was pretty cool. Last thing I ordered, which is probably the thing I'm most excited for, is the, I think, utility pouch is what it's called. I ordered this in black. I'm gonna use this for school to put my pens and like calculator in, just because it's like that, it's like a good size for that, and it matches the backpack I got. So I'll definitely be using this, and I'll probably do a review on this also, so look out for that. So pretty cool. This was like $44, I think, so kind of expensive, but it's Supreme, so it's pretty cool. This is also a lot smaller than I thought. See, you can see it's like the same height as a box logo sticker, so not too big, but it's smaller than the pouch from last season though, for sure. So I did a review on that, so just check out my channel if you want to see a review on that. But I sold the pouch from last season at the beginning of this season just to get money for this. So that's it, that's all my orders. So just to recap, I got the measuring tape, 4 packs of the Band-Aids, and the utility pouch, so I'll probably be doing reviews on all those, so make sure to check out my channel in the future to see those. And that's pretty much all for today's video. Drop a comment down below on what you picked up from week 2. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a like on the video, and thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.